to the Constitutional Court, at least for his matter to be heard. So far has been granted, and this was done on the 16th of January, a few days ago, according to the stamp that was put in here, and the matter and the dates also for the matter has been revealed. So there would be a set down in the matter between Mbuso Fuzwayo being the first applicant and the second applicant being the organization that he leads, and the people to respond on this particular matter. It is the ZANU-PF being the first respondent. Second, it is the Minister of Legal and Parliamentary Affairs being the second respondent. Speaker of Parliament being the fourth respondent. Attorney General, the fifth respondent, and the President of Zimbabwe. So greetings and welcome to your lovely channel, the Hloniphani Global News. If you are watching us for the very first time, please do remember to press the red or black subscribe button so that next time when we beam live, you become the very first one to watch us. So, Mbuso Fuzwayo and Zulu have been actually accused of working with Sengezo Chabamu to bring this matter into the Constitutional Court so that they would be defeated and ZANU-PF will have a leverage and a court citation to use in their justification of the implementation of what they call resolution number 1, which is to extend Emmerson Mnangagwa's term of office up to 2030. So this case already, the set down has been announced. There is a date, and also the lawyers that represent Mbuso Fuzwayo and Zulu, they are actually cited in the papers that I'm currently looking at now. So the date, the set down date for the court to be held at the Constitutional Court, that would be the 9th of February 2026. In fact, let me read what is written on notice of hearing. It says, take notice that the above application for direct access rule 26 would be heard and determined physically by a Constitutional Court of Zimbabwe at Harare on Monday, the 9th day of February 2026 at 9:30 or so soon thereafter as counsel may be heard. So this is the date of actually issue of this notice, Friday the 16th day of January 2026. So as I have indicated, that we know and understand that this case, Mbuso Fuzwayo, as he revealed it initially, he indicated that he was actually told by Sengezo Chabamu to file this case. And there is Sengezo Chabamu and there is Jonathan Moyo behind this case. And appear to be fighting the 2030 term extension, but the results of this application is known. And look at the timing. It is coming in February, and this is the very same February the cabinet of Emmerson Mnangagwa is supposed to approve the 2030 bill that will also see itself going. There is already a deadline that has been set. So this case of Mbuso Fuzwayo is being heard. I'm interested also to hear the case of Gambakwe. I'm sure it would also be heard on similar days. Very soon, I'm sure it will be announced. And then they would be defeated at the Constitutional Court. And the citations that would be used, it will be used as a case study now by the Parliament and Mnangagwa to justify the 2030 the term extension tactic of implementing it, because they want to implement it unconstitutional. I wonder whether this would be broadcast live, and the lawyers that would be representing iBhechu likaZulu, Sithole Law Chambers, Ngobani Sithole, being the first applicant and the second applicant's legal practitioner. There is something that has been posted by Tabani Mpofu regarding this matter. He says the Mbuso Fuzwayo application is set down for 9 February 2026. Yet the uncomfortable question we must ask refused to go away. The lawyers say they have been paid. Fuzwayo said he has not paid them because he does not even have $10 in his pocket, and that he has not been paid to prosecute the application. We remain where we were with many unanswered questions, but perhaps ahead of the hearing, there is now one question that looms above the rest. And he ended there. So it's quite a very, very controversial application. It's something that we have to follow. Let me just read the comment section, because the comment section sometimes is always on point. Someone said, so it will be heard by Malaba before he leaves. That is also another angle that I did not see it coming. This would be heard by Malaba before he leaves. Someone says, who is paying the lawyers? The question is, who is lying? And someone says, is it what it is? Someone says, he knew he's playing into their hands right from the start. 3 questions. Did he still go ahead and do it? Why would the lawyers say they have been paid when they have not? Who is fooling who? Mbuso knows exactly what he is doing. It's quite an interesting story, so we'll be following through. I think we covered it at length. So it is finally being heard. Caption this: there is also a bill that is being parked somewhere, waiting for this process to whose results is actually known. Mnangagwa and ZANU-PF have already responded to this particular application. We know that ZANU-PF has responded. We know that the Minister of Justice, Legal and Parliament, in fact, I'm not so sure about the Minister, but I know of the Speaker of Parliament. They've responded. I'm not so sure about the Attorney General and Emerson Tambutso Mnangagwa as a beneficiary of this process. Thank you very much for watching us. If you're watching us for the very first time, please do remember to press the red or black subscribe button so that next time when we beam live, you become the very first one to watch us. So Mhlabane is signing off. Let me love and leave you. Let's meet on the other side.